Why your unconventional path could be your greatest strength in dental residency.
Now, when you say find your own way, you had to find
Mhm.
your own way.
Yeah.
Please share, just quantify what that means to you, because people might hear that and be like, "Well, I don't know my own way. I don't know what she means. I don't know what way." That's what I'm trying to find out. Like, what does she mean by that? So, what do you mean by find your own way?
One of the most reassuring things that I found in my interview process was as I was getting to know a lot of my future colleagues during these interviews, they would kind of speak to, oh, I went to this school and this was my pathway. And I found a lot of the things I was insecure about before, like, oh, I was just a dental hygienist. Like I didn't even get into dental school like straight out of university. I didn't even go to university before. That was my strength was that I was unconventional. I was an unconventional student. I found opportunities within those to come back to my future goal. For example, something that I had, and this is why it's so important to keep a journal. I would keep journals during my hygiene school, experience of like, what are things I liked about what I did during my appointments? What are things that I need to work on? That would help me a lot because I would think, oh, yeah, I need to work on this. One of my first patients was a pediatric patient, and I used that journal entry to remind myself, oh my gosh, it's like it was there the whole time. You might not realize it, but there might be things that you would consider like maybe a failure in your life, a setback in your life that actually led you to the right place. Like had I not been waitlisted to every undergrad program as a high school student, I would not have even given hygiene a try. And then within that scope, I wouldn't have realized how much I love, the foundational aspect of what hygiene is, which is like constant education, care, inspiration for patients to take care of themselves, and then how much that ties to pedo. And so that's what I mean by finding your own way was I didn't realize how much of that hygiene identity I had actually had such a clear connection to what it is that we do as board certified pediatric dentists, which is to motivate our patients to take care of themselves, not just for them, but their families, their communities. So that's what I mean
Yeah,
by that. Find your strength,
yeah,
man.
that's fine. That's powerful.